Now students, come to the second part of your project. This year mathematics project, I told you earlier, it is divided into two parts. First part already I discussed, and now second part of your mathematics project. Topic. Check the topic. Basic terms or terminology of mathematical operation. Basic terms you have to write of mathematical operation. Steps are given here. You will follow the steps, and I am coming to the project, what you need to do. This is the project. You will fill up this portion of the project. You all will copy this table thoroughly and then fill up the table. For completing your second part of the project, again here some example. Example is in front of you. You can see, by seeing this example you can do your project very easily. Look at the screen very carefully. Examples are given. Operation addition and division I already completed here for you. Addition related terminology, that all are written here, and examples also given. You can see, if we add two numbers, in that two numbers, first number in addition is called augend and second number is addend, and the result is called sum. In this way you will show in your project. I show it by the arrow, which number is augend, which is addend, which is sum, that I show by arrow. You also do in the same way. Now next is division. Division for terminology. You already know all this. Again, if you divide 12 by 5, in that case you know quotient is 2 and remainder is also 2. Just you follow. I put arrow in the quotient, which is quotient, I put arrow over there. Divisor is 5, arrow. Dividend 12, I show by arrow, and remainder is 2. That is also I show by putting arrow. In this way you will complete your project also. Your part you will complete only subtraction and multiplication. These two you will do as I did addition and division. In that way you only do subtraction and multiplication. Subtraction related terminology you will write over here, and examples also you will give here, and every terminology you will show by arrow, putting arrow. And in case of multiplication also same. Here you will write all terminology, basic terms of multiplication, and with example that you will show here. Example you will write in this box. Okay. In this way you will complete your second part of the project, and every work, handwriting should be neat and clean, and all work should be neat and clean. And also one more time I will say that before starting your second part of your project you must write your name, class, section, roll number. Okay. So two parts of the project, maths, that you will do this year separately in your maths classwork notebook. 2 pages you can take for the first project, that means first part of your mathematics project, and another next 2 pages you write second part of your mathematics project. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.